This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 43, the start of pack 12 of Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. This is the shortest build episode of this month, I think. So we're going to start by looking through the magazine, because I haven't done it that way around for a while, so I thought I would. So let's have a look. We've got, obviously, the stuff about the Eleanor Mustang and the build. We've got the mud flaps. That's what we're doing today, fitting them onto the frame that we've already been building up. Nice and easy. Made it up through, look more difficult through lots of different pictures, but basically it's put those in, put some screws in, hold them in place. That's it. It's done. I think they're mud flaps. They might not be. They might be some sort of support thing, because they seem to be going the wrong way if they're mud flaps. But there we go. Then next time we are building the axle. Sort of not the axle, but it's what is acting as the axle between the two front wheels there. And then some more connection points on that. And then finally, in the fourth and final episode of this build, we're connecting other parts and putting the wheels onto the frame. So we end up with a chassis with 4 wheels on it, which is always a nice stage to be at. Then we get to look at the magazine. So Eleanor's great stunt. Big jump over the thing at the end. I remember that. Pretty much wrecked it. But there you go. Movie Secrets Part 2. Again, more filmmaking secrets if you want to pause and look at all of the words on there. I might come back and read through some of these. I do like behind the scenes type stuff. So yeah, there we go. And the final part of the book as ever. I think it's the final part. The cars with women's names. We've got Denise, Dodge Viper. I like the Dodge Viper. It's a nice looking car, that. And Stephanie. 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air convertible. Again, classic, nice looking car, but wouldn't work around here. But there you go. Read all about Stephanie from the film. And oh no, it's not the last section, because we're looking at the Ford Mustang 2D top. Not sure what that is. What section is that? That's the classic Mustangs. Oh right, just looking at other Mustangs. There we go. So next time, what have we got next time? I can't make out what these bits are. Not big bits, but exhaust system maybe. It's going to be something to do with the chassis that we've built up. So yeah, we'll find out about that next time. But for now, let's clear this out of the way and let's get these flaps or mud flaps or whatever they are put on. Well, maybe we'll find out what they are. And here they are, a couple of plastic parts. They are apparently wheel housings. So yeah, we've got 2 of those and some screws in this issue. So let's get, we need 2 screws for each one. 1, 2, 3, 5, of course. So I'll put that to one side. We'll sort that out later. And the part we're fixing them onto is from before, where we've been building up all of this. Did all the suspension for the back wheels as well last time before, I think. So these are going onto here. Nice and easy. They go the other way around to the way I would have thought. I thought it would have been sort of that side, but it isn't. It's this side. That goes on there over those 2 little posts, like so. And 2 of these screws will hold that in place. Can't get that in there. one there, another screw next to it over the other side. Go. And then we get to do exactly the same again over this side. That one there. And again, I'll say the same 2 screws. It's not the same 2 screws because I've already used those screws over there. So I've got to use different screws, but in the same way. Putting one in there. And one over that side. Nice and easy. I shall get those all tightened up and secure so we know where we are. But next time, I think next time we're not, we did just look through the book, but I don't remember. I think we're not doing anything with the frame next time. We are just going to be adding to the wheels. I've got to get the wheels out of cold storage, because we've already built both of the front wheels, so we need to get those out of storage and into the assembly sequence. And we won't be looking at the magazine next time, obviously, because we just did that. So next time is going to be a pure build episode, just like most of these are. Let's finish up. I might as well do this now on camera because you're here already. So thank you very much for watching. I shall see you for more of this in a couple of days and going on from there throughout the week. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.